Well, good morning. Here we are again on this fine morning. I'm off out for a couple of hours. Just on my way to pick Matty Ross up. Matty, I'm on my way, not be long. See what we can get up there today. There's a couple of little places I need to pop to see. Hopefully a new Kestrel spot and a little owl spot, and then we'll see where we're going from there. It's absolutely nice this morning, it's lovely. But I'm sure we'll see something like we always do. So why not come along for the ride? Why not? A little bit overcast like, but still nice. Right, I'll bring this back in a minute, see where we end up. Well, I first took a glance at whoever that is, I thought it was Rupert. I thought it was Rupert the bear. Fucking hell. Zero dolphin activity. It's busy yesterday. It's windy like. Wonder the security is on there. I was on there for 2 years. It was class. By myself, the air show, everything. Just sit right along there. And the lighthouse, watch the air show. And the fireworks as well. Mint. Well, the elusive little owls were very elusive, we didn't see them. I spy with my little eye. Lovely if that wind dropped. This mist's kind of burn off like. Out and about, mate. I saw so much junk, but it's not a dolphin. Usually hang around them red boys, wouldn't they? We'll keep looking, we'll keep looking.
Well, that's the second kestrel nest. Just see the tail fellas hanging out.
Anybody should be living like that, man, in this day and age. Absolute disgusting, that, man, poor thing. Give me Stew, he always keeps it tidy. Poor bloke. Well, every time I'm out and about, I always like to pop into Barnes Park, see what's about.
Morning.
Morning. Hello. Aye, that poor bloke living in a bush shelter, eh? Shocking, that one. This day and age. But I'm not going to go into that. About, give me, I tell you what, I want to see that ball. I'll send you the video later. I'll have that ball for the dog. Matty, there's a dog when I got in the shop. He's a little Jack Russell. She's a little Jack Russell. And it is absolutely crackers. Anybody who passes, if you stop to stroke it, can't follow its ball and has you there all day. So, next time you say that, it'll be on a video and I'll be getting that little Jack Russell. I know it's some of the dogs, but never mind, it's mine now. There's the parrots away. Oh, that kingfisher, man, he was saying down there.
Oyster from my part got too young.
Have that?
And I outside yesterday.
Better that tree. There's a parrot tail at them. They're all out now. Wonder if them little mandarins are still in. Oh, I might remember that little thing at the nest there. Aye. I don't know if it's still there. Is it still there? Ah, the nest there, but there's newt on it. Do you know, I've had near enough all of the vlogging cameras, from the GoPro right up to the 8, the Osmo Pocket 1, the second one, the Action 4, the Action 5 I've got now, and I still gone back to my phone, my spare phone. So it's just as good, man. Hey Matty, where did I put my binoculars?
On the car.
If there's out on the roof, Matty will be in the boat. I hope. Aye, we'll pigeon it at a buddy. Aye, if there's out on the roof. Don't know if I've left my binoculars on the roof. Well, if they were on the roof, somebody's had them. And that'll be the second set of binoculars I've lost. Never mind. I'll sure cry when I get back to the car. Them boxes, man, have been chowed to bits off for squirrels, man, haven't they? Jesus. Did see a kestrel's tail on a nest sticking out. I was very squid. I wonder if it's a little dream, Matty. Who lives in a house like this? I bet it's them little buggers.
Possibly, shouting.
Aye. Bet that's a little tree. Definitely, because look there, he's up there.
No, in there.
He's going to stay as well. Oh, I lies up there. I was wondering what that. Oh, look at them playing up there. Like little monkeys. They think that because we're here, are they? Well, unlucky for you, Mr. Squirrel, we are here. Can you see it? Straight up there. Don't know what that one is. No, isn't it? Very thin. Well, we're both just bumping into a lovely gentleman, and was it his daughter, Matty? Talking away. Are you staying out? You normally always get, well, what are you looking for? You know about the foxes? And he went, oh, son, you're going to have got one of your calendars. I was like, oh, cheers for buying me calendar, mate. But he feeds the foxes as well. So that was nice. And then we've just been stopped off a nice Chinese woman there. So every 5 yards we're getting stopped, what he's taking photos of. Never mind. It's nice to be nice though. Where's that Tony box was under in it somewhere. But the bloke who bought me calendar.
The only one you ever sold.
The only one. Done well with them last year, haven't you before? They're not about this year though. I'm doing them. We'll see. Oh, that's her. That's what I'm going to do this year. I'm going to buy myself a bench saw. And I'll make myself some Tony boxes. Me and Matty's going to put them up for next year. Eh? I know, that's what I'm seeing. The bottoms is all hanging out, man. If you're going to be putting them somewhere, you need to be putting them somewhere where it's out the road. That tree yesterday, Matty, that I showed you was class. What I did for it. But that's on my agenda this year, is definitely make some Tony boxes and some little owls, barn owls. That's another project. Check her out. Little Jenny. Get on, Jenny. Waiting for someone to mooch past. Lovely little bird, yeah. See if I can get a photograph back before she goes. Well, I found my binoculars, I didn't take them out. Panic hour. We are now in Bathhouse Park, and if you come here just when it's dark, first thing in the morning, it's still a little bit dark. It's just Tony Owl City like. Belt of noises, you think you're like Scooby-Doo cartoon. Of all the Tony Owls. It's just a matter of keeping your eyes pasted. I come in here a few weeks away, a couple of months ago, and there was just nothing to this. It was just all small grass and just emerged from nowhere. Look at that crisps. She just said morning, morning. What you doing, bird watching? Aye. She says, I thought you'd come from space. I'm from fucking England, but we're not that bad. Burnt's dried up again.
Yes.
Ah, right, aye. Isn't it?
definitely. Looks in good shape and all, because see the bottoms of shoes hanging out the minute.
That's that was the horse filled in.
Aye, so keep an eye on that one, like. Class.
Well, we've pulled out 4 nice sandwich from Deli Dips. Lovely. Nice savoury dip. Oh, lovely. Next stop, I'll have my t-shirt. Well, we're now down at the Kestrel Nest. All 5 young are still here, which I'm happy about. It's getting a bit concerned with this wind, like, because it's very windy. Matty's behind me somewhere. Oh, he's there. Oh, his camera. But all nicely tucked in. The female must be out hunting somewhere. She'll not leave them for long, like. Just wait for her coming back now. Took well in them, like.
Hey?
Seeing they took well in, aren't they? That wind's not affecting them too badly, like.
No, look, the sun's from where it is.
Aye. Well, I don't know if it needed, with the wind. Females just came in with a kill. She only stopped a few minutes, ripped it a bit, get it behind it, changed the way back off. Still no sign of the male yet. It is bloody Mark and Mindy and all that. Give another half an hour, see if the male comes. Well, that's us done for the day. Not a great deal about, but it was alright. Did you enjoy it, Matty, mate?
Did me? Did.
Away. That's definitely on greeny red. Very green.
So was that one?
I know. It's now coming in here. Right, so that's me done. That's us done for the day. See you on the next one. Happy days.
Double dipped.
Double dip. Forgot all about that savoury dip, which was quite nice. Once I had mine, I wanted to go to bed. Never mind. See you somewhere soon in nature. Happy days.